I'm Sarah Genesis with my teammate Adrian, and this is the herbal tea preparation done as part of our project. So, we start with hibiscus extract, known for its bright red color, cooling, detoxifying properties. Next, we added Clitoria ternata extract, which gives a deep blue hue and is rich in antioxidants. And further, to enhance the flavor and health benefits, we added lemon juice, honey, along with few natural spices. So here you can see how beautifully the color blends and changes. This reaction also indicates the acidity introduced by the lemon. So the result is a refreshing herbal tea that's not only visually appealing but is also rich in antioxidants and other nutrients. For product development, we created a trial pack with three sachets: clitoria extract, hibiscus extract, and flavoring mix with an extended shelf life of 6 months with added preservatives. This was our small attempt by us to create a healthy, natural beverage with an extended shelf life and refreshing properties. Thank you.